Welcome to our tutorial on deploying vRealize Operations Manager. In this video, we'll walk you through the step-by-step process of setting up vRealize Operations Manager in your environment. Let's get started. First, log into my VMware account and download the vRealize Operations Manager appliance OVA file. Once downloaded, ensure you're connected to a vCenter server using the vSphere web client. Remember, never deploy vRealize Operations Manager from an ESXi host. Always deploy it from vCenter server. Right-click on your cluster and select Deploy OVF Template option. Choose the Local File option and navigate to the location where you downloaded the OVA file. Then, click Upload Files to proceed. Next, enter the name for the virtual machine and click Next. Select the destination ESXi host. If compatibility checks pass, proceed by clicking Next. Review the template details and click Next to continue. Accept the license agreement and select the deployment size. For this lab, we'll choose the small deployment size. Configure the storage for the configuration and disk files. We'll select Thin Provision Virtual Disk File format for this lab. Select the correct network and click Next to continue. Now, configure the template settings, including time zone, default gateway, DNS IP address, and IP address for vRealize Operations Manager. Verify the configuration and click Finish to start the deployment. Wait for the deployment tasks to complete. Once the deployment is complete, power up vRealize Operation Manager and wait for the power-up process to finish. Access the Operations Manager by typing the management IP address in your web browser. In the Getting Started page, select Express Installation and proceed by setting up the administrator credentials. Set up a new password for the administrator user and then click Next. Click Finish on the Ready to Complete page and wait for the configuration to finish. Once complete, log in to vRealize Operations Manager using the administrator credentials. Simply press Next on the Welcome page, acknowledge the end-user license agreement, and proceed. In this lab session, I am using the Product Evaluation option. If you have a license key, you can add this field. Then click Next. If you'd like, you can join the VMware Customer Experience program and click Next. Click Finish to complete. Wait until the Operation Manager finishes loading. Now, you can add cloud accounts to your Operation Manager. In this lab session, I will show how to add my existing vCenter server to vRealize Operation Manager. Click Add Cloud Account, and you can see more account types. I will select vCenter and first insert the display name. Then, you can insert the vCenter IP address. Next, insert credentials and click Validate Credentials. Now, you can click on Add to connect the vCenter server with the Operation Manager. Review and accept the certificate. Now, you can see the vCenter is added to the Operation Manager. Thank you for watching. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions or suggestions for future videos, please leave them in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content like this. See you in the next video.